Hello guys, my name is Jyoti. I am from Pune. I am talking about my trainer. My trainer name is Silpa ma'am. Silpa ma'am is a good trainer. I have completed my MCA but my coding is not well. So a day I searched in Google best institute in Pune for front-end web developer. Then I saw CNC WEB WORLD. Then I contacted us to Prasant sir because CNC WEB WORLD covered all the things, all the syllabus. So I talked to Prasant sir. Then I explained all my problem, all my things, which is my mind. So sir said you can join the to demo class by Silpa ma'am. Then I joined it. Then I realized this class is best, means the platform is the best platform because Silpa ma'am teaches very well. Like Silpa ma'am describe all the things in deeply way. If any doubt, then Silpa ma'am says ask me. Then I explained you how to describe all the things, all your problem. So Silpa ma'am is a good trainer. So this way she helps to a lot. Thank you.